Cash Giraffe is rated for users aged 18 and older in many regions, which means younger users may not be eligible to use the app or redeem rewards. By the end, you'll know how Cash Giraffe's age requirements work, why the minimum age matters, and what to check before creating an account. The main answer is simple. Check Cash Giraffe's current terms and the App Store information for your country before signing up. Age rules can depend on where you live and the platform's requirements. Cash Giraffe is a rewards app where users earn points by completing activities offered inside the app. Because these rewards involve outs, payments, and personal information, the platform may require users to meet a minimum age requirement. If you are under the required age, creating an account with incorrect information can cause problems later. Issues can happen when verifying an account, redeeming rewards, or accessing payment options. Before downloading Cash Giraffe, check 3 things. First, read the app's official terms of service for the age requirement. Second, check whether the app is available in your region. Third, make sure the information entered during registration matches your real details. Parents or guardians should also check whether reward apps are appropriate for younger users before allowing access. The rules are different from simply downloading an app because using reward platforms usually involves accepting account agreements. Another thing to remember is that app availability does not always mean everyone can use it. An app appearing in an app store only confirms that it can be downloaded in that location, not that every age group is eligible. If you already have a Cash Giraffe account and are unsure about your eligibility, review the account settings and the latest terms connected to your account. The key points are: Cash Giraffe age rules depend on the platform requirements and location. Accurate account information matters. And checking the official terms before signing up avoids account problems. The practical next step is to open Cash Giraffe's current terms and confirm the minimum age requirement for your country before creating an account. If this helped you understand who can use Cash Giraffe, subscribe for more app guides, fixes, and reward app explanations.